Hello everyone! Today the Bookworms are going to be reading a Disney Pixar Cars book called Racing Days, written by Brooke Dworkin, illustrated by the Disney Storybook Art Team. Let's get into the book! Lightning McQueen is a race car. His friend Doc used to race too. Doc has a racing school. He teaches his students how to climb out of holes. He teaches them how to drive in the dirt. Chick Hicks has a racing school too. He teaches his students how to cheat. Chick and Doc decide to race against each other. They will have 3 races to see which school is the best. The first race starts. Lightning is racing with his friend Mater. Chick's partner is named Switcher. Lightning takes the lead. Chick is close behind. Chick tells Switcher to take care of Lightning. Switcher uses his turbo boost. He pulls ahead of Lightning. He spills oil on the road. Lightning slips. Switcher takes the lead. That makes Chick angry. He wants to win. He knocks Switcher onto the dirt. Lightning and Mater work as a team. Mater weaves in front of Chick. Lightning crosses the finish line. The next race is in the desert. Lightning and Sarge race as a team. The flag drops. Chick and Sarge take off. Chick drops bolts on the ground. He wants Sarge to crash. Chick watches Sarge. He does not see a cactus. Chick is the one to crash. Chick cheats again. He moves the sign showing which way to drive. Chick's partner drives the wrong way. Lightning wins the race. The next race is by the sea. Lightning is racing against a pink car named Candace. Candace likes being famous. She likes having her pictures taken. Lightning trains with Sally. He turns in the dirt. He gets used to the bright sun. The race starts. Candace uses her mirror to blind Lightning. He cannot see. Lightning catches up to Candace. She sprays him with sand. Lightning drives off the road. He's losing the race. Candace nears the finish line. Her fans take pictures of her. The lights blind Candace. She cannot see. Lightning passes her. He wins the race. Lightning won all 3 races. Doc's school is the best school. The end. That's it for today, everyone. I hope you guys enjoyed. For more read-alongs like these, don't forget to subscribe. If you enjoyed the book, give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. Don't forget to join us every day for a new video with a fun read-along. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!